Good morning to all, ma. Respected our AGO sir, Sri Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, good morning sir. Our convener Sri Somsekar sir garu, good morning sir. And my dear students, once again good morning to all. The second unit, the respiration, the energy releasing, ma. Previous class we learnt about the following topics: gas exchange, cellular respiration, mitochondria, the flow chart of oxygen. Next, today I am going to teach the following new topics: can energy be released without oxygen, concentration of lactic acid in blood, anaerobic respiration, some experiments with yeast, fermentation, respiration versus combustion. I am going to teach about the first slide. All of you see this slide, ma. Listen carefully. What is the steps are there in respiration? One example of respiration in ourselves. మనలో జరిగేటువంటి రెస్పిరేషన్ ఏ విధంగా జరుగుతుంది? In human beings, the respiration process happening under the following steps. In our human beings, what the respiration steps are there? See in this picture, the first step is air taken in, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air. We get air from the environment. Air taken in, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air. We get air from the environment. Environment, it gives as oxygen, it absorbs the lungs during the process of the respiration. Next, food taken in your alimentary canal or esophagus, the food produced through the stomach. Stomach has two types of intestines, large and small intestines are there. The intestine digestive food. After it produced one of the product is glucose. Can you able to understand? Food taken in alimentary canal. The food is through the stomach. Stomach, it has a small and large intestines. Small and large intestines digesting of the food. After it produced one of the product of glucose. Glucose is one kind of food products. The glucose into converted into blood. Glucose converted into blood. Blood already has a, how many types of blood cells are there, ma? Anybody say?
Two types, madam.
What are they?
Red blood cells, white blood cells, madam.
Three types of blood cells are there, ma. How many blood cells are
What
there?
are they, madam?
RBC, WBC, blood platelets. RBC is called as red blood cells, WBC is called as white blood cells, and third one is blood platelets. Okay, can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Glucose converted into blood. Blood already has how many types of blood cells are there?
Three types.
What are the once again say?
RBC, WBC, blood platelets, madam.
Okay. The first one is RBC is carries glucose and oxygen to the muscles. Red blood cells are there. The only the RBC is carries glucose and oxygen to the muscles. In our body made up of so many muscles are there. How many muscles are there in our body, you know? How many bones are there in our body, you know? Anybody say? In previous classes we learned Previous classes we learned about this, ma. How many bones are there? 206 bones are there, ma. How many muscles are there? 600 muscles are there. How many muscles are there?
600, madam.
600 muscles are there. Okay. The blood inside the RBC carries glucose and oxygen to the muscles. But it communicates. That is, it will connected with them. Okay. The next step is respiration. The respiration that time, glucose and oxygen react to produce energy for muscle contraction. Expansion. Contraction means దగ్గరికి చేరుకోవడం. Expansion means విడిపోవడం. The contraction, which time the respiration that time, glucose and oxygen react, produce some energy. The energy, it for the muscles, that time the muscles are contraction. That time the process of the during the inhalation. The next step is carbon dioxide is carried to the lungs by the blood. Blood collected carbon dioxide from the body. Blood collected inside the body carbon dioxide. లోపల ఉన్న కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇట్ క్యారీ టు ద లంగ్స్. ఎక్కడికి పంపిస్తుందంట? లంగ్స్. లంగ్స్ exit from the carbon dioxide in outside of the body. ఆ లోపల బ్లడ్ లో నుంచి కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ కలెక్ట్ చేసి లంగ్స్ లోకి పంపించినప్పుడు ఆ యొక్క కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ మన శరీరం నుంచి బయటకి విడుదల కాబడుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద exhalation. Can you able to understand, ma?
Yes, madam.
Can you move to next
Madam.
slide? Can you move to next slide?
Yes.
Okay.
Madam.
Okay, ma. Okay. See this in picture very carefully. In human beings, the respiration process, that means this slide, I give this some explanation, ma. In human beings, we are doing so many physical activities, ma. Human beings, we are doing so many physical activities. The physical activity that time, the ATP, it will be used from our body. ATP is one kind of energy molecule. During exercise or physical work, that time inside cells are used ATP first. ATP is one kind of energy molecule. The physical activities that time inside the cells use ATP first. The ATP is utilizing. That time the ATP is last. ఇక్కడ ATP అంటే adenosine triphosphate, one kind of energy molecule. Cellular respiration, that time one kind of ATP is produced. This is one kind of energy molecule. Okay. మనం ఫిజికల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మన శరీరంలో ఉన్నటువంటి శక్తిని అంతా మనం కోల్పోయినప్పుడు, that after 90 seconds, you can take some time of 90 seconds after, the lactic acid fermentation begins to provide ATP. Physical activities that time, the ATP is last. That time, the lactic acid fermentation begins to provide ATP. Lactic acid provide ATP. Lactic acid is a one kind of energy molecule. See, in milky products is examples milk. I drink milk every day. Yes or no?
Madam.
Milk is some energy. If milk, it gives some energy, you know. Same like that. Lactic acid, milky products, it produce lactic acid. The lactic acid also one kind of energy molecule. That which time the physical activities that time, ATP also it use on utilizing of that time. ATP is last that time. Lactic acid provide ATP. Lactic acid provide ATP. అక్కడ శక్తిని కోల్పోయినప్పుడు లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ నుంచి, ఎందుకంటే దట్ మీన్స్ ప్రిజర్వ్ ఇన్ ద లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్. మన శరీరంలో మనం తీసుకున్న పాల ద్వారా లోపల అక్కడ ఫార్మెంట్ అయి ఉంటుంది, అంటే నిల్వ ఉంటుంది. నిల్వ ఉండి ఆ లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఎప్పుడైతే శక్తిని కోల్పోతామో దట్ టైం ప్రొవైడ్ ఏటీపీ. విచ్ టైం? Physical activity.
ATP was lost.
Physical activities that time. So many hard
And
works
lactic acid.
time. Human beings also doing the hard works that time, the physical works activities that time, ATP is utilizing. That time ATP is lost. That time which the lactic acid is requirement and
Produce ATP.
provide ATP. Can you able to understand, ma?
Yes, madam.
Okay. After longer excursion, aerobic respiration takes over. You know, respiration, how many types of respirations are there? Say anybody? How many respirations are there? How many types of?
Two types.
Two types of. What are the external and internal?
Internet.
Internal respiration is called as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, again, how many types?
Two types, madam.
What are they?
Aerobic and
Very
anaerobic
good.
respirations.
Very good. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. What is the difference between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Say one cause, ma.
During the presence of oxygen.
Very good. Which process, ma? Satya? Aerobic respiration in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration? Without presence of oxygen. That is the main difference between the aerobic and anaerobic. Okay, can you able to understand?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay, can I move to next slide? Okay. See, this slide, see this in this slide, ma. Listen carefully. During running, the body's energy needed are high, and so the rate of respiration increases to meet this demand. Some hard physical activities like running race, riding of bicycle, cycling, playing games, so much are there. But that time, the energy need energy levels, ma. In our body, you need high levels. We need energy for high levels. నీకు ఎక్కువ శక్తి కావాలి. నువ్వు పరిగెత్తినప్పుడు, నువ్వు ఏదైనా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసినప్పుడు, నువ్వు సైకిల్ తొక్కేటప్పుడు అక్కడ నీకు ఏమవుతుంది? నీ శరీరంలో నుంచి ఎనర్జీ నీకు ఎక్కువ కావాలి. హై అండ్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ రెస్పిరేషన్. దట్ టైమ్ the respiration also increases. You know, the respiration also depend on the inhalation and exhalation. That time the breath also very increased levels. నీ యొక్క శ్వాస కూడా ఎక్కువైపోతుంది. Can you able to understand? Which time the physical activities during that time, the respiration and energy levels are increased. Say, ask some question. How does this affect the amount of glucose and oxygen needed? Physical activities, during the physical activities that time, first high energy is needed. The first is high energy is needed. Next, high rate of aerobic respiration. Already you know the aerobic respiration is during the process of in presence of oxygen. In the presence of the oxygen, that time it produces glucose also. This is one kind of aerobic respiration. Only the examples of plants and animals, this type of the during the expiration, aerobic respiration, ma. Physical activities that time, you need high energy and the high rate of aerobic respiration also, and the high demand for glucose and oxygen. It produced, that means high glucose and oxygen also it produced. Which time? physical activities doing that time.
It is moving.
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ మనం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు మన యొక్క బాడీని ఎక్కువగా మనము ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో చేసేటప్పుడు అప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం ఎక్కువ అవసరం అవుతుందంట, గ్లూకోజ్ అండ్ ఆక్సిజన్ కూడా ఎక్కువ అవసరం అవుతుంది. దట్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో ఇంక్రీజ్ అవర్ ఫాస్ట్ హార్ట్ అండ్ బ్రీత్ రేట్స్ ఆల్సో. నీ యొక్క గుండు కొట్టుకోవడము తర్వాత నీ బ్రీత్ లెవెల్స్ కూడా ఏమవుతుందంట, ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ లెవెల్స్ your heartbeat. You know, for a minute, how much of the heartbeats is there, ma? You know?
70.
ఒక నిమిషానికి మన గుండె ఎన్నిసార్లు కొట్టుకుంటుంది?
72 సార్లు.
Very good. 72 times in our heartbeats, ma. In our body per a minute, 72 times. Next, that time the heartbeat also increase, ma. Which time?
When doing physical activities.
Very good. Physical activities that time. Physical activity that time the heartbeat also increase and breath levels also increase. That time you need a high energy and you need glucose and oxygen also utilize it. That time the ATP is last. The ATP is last. Ikkada ATP అయిపోతుంది. Okay, can you able to understand?
Yes, madam.
Next, I have some other question. How does this affect the heart rate and breathing rate? Heart rate and breathing rate already normal rate 72 times in breath heart beats rate and breath rate is per minute 18 times. These are also normal range of in your human body. But under this tougher conditions, tougher condition means you can doing so many hard activities. Tougher conditions that time the body has to work hard. Your body also to work hard. That time the supply enough glucose and oxygen to the body cells for aerobic respiration. The aerobic respiration also it produces the glucose and oxygen. The tougher conditions is there, but your body also doing the hard work. That time the aerobic respiration it produces glucose and oxygen. It will supply this in our body. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు మన శక్తి కోల్పోతున్నప్పుడు ఈ ఏరోబిక్ రెస్పిరేషన్ లో మనకు గ్లూకోజ్ ఆక్సిజన్ రిలీజ్ అయి ఉంటుంది కదా, అది మనకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ద ఏరోబిక్ రెస్పిరేషన్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఎనఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. మనకి ఎంత శక్తి కావాలంత శక్తిని ఆ టైంలో మనకి ఇస్తుంది. మనం లూజ్ కాకుండా ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ లూజ్, అప్పుడు మనం పడిపోకుండా ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫాలన్ టు ద ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ. దట్ టైం requirement of the energy levels it depend to the in our body. That means already it has in our body the lactic acid some energy levels also it produce ATP. That means it produce energy. Okay, which time you were doing some hard work, that time you lost of ATP that time. Okay ma, can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Can you move to next slide?
Okay.
Yeah, madam.
See this slide, ma. Already cellular respiration is called again two types. Cellular respiration again two types, aerobic and anaerobic. You know what is the main difference between the aerobic and anaerobic? Aerobic in presence of oxygen during the process of aerobic respiration, without presence of the oxygen during the process of the anaerobic respiration. This is the main difference, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Okay, the aerobic respiration uses oxygen to break down glucose. Aerobic respiration that time the oxygen is uses to break down the glucose. It releases a lot of energy. Which time? Aerobic respiration that time. During the process of the aerobic respiration that time the oxygen also released and it break down to the glucose and it releases a lot of energy from glucose molecule. By the breakdown it's down completely into the carbon dioxide and water. This is totally the process is completed, ma. First of all uses oxygen but break down to the glucose, but oxygen and glucose it is utilizing to the process of the aerobic respiration. That time completely into carbon dioxide and water also it produced outside. This is the process of aerobic respiration that time only. Next, anaerobic respiration that time, already we know anaerobic respiration takes place without oxygen, without presence of oxygen, but it produces less energy. Less energy is released per glucose molecule. Already aerobic is lot of energy release and glucose molecule also it break down. But anaerobic respiration, it produce less energy, is released by less glucose molecule. Then aerobic respiration, because glucose is only the partial breakdown. Aerobic respiration is completely breakdown carbon dioxide and water. But in this anaerobic respiration that time, the glucose also less energy also less, and same that time releasing of the carbon dioxide also less. Totally the process is less energy, less convert to the glucose and less exit from the carbon dioxide. This process also it less energy levels. But different between the aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic and anaerobic both respirations are in type of cellular respiration. This aerobic respiration during the some examples of plant and animals. Anaerobic respiration during the process in examples of yeast and microorganisms. Okay. Some in our human body, doing so many hard works, that time the energy levels also it used of it lost of the energy levels in our body. That time also the requirement of the ATP only it helps to the lactic acid from in our body. Can you able to understand, ma? This is some difficult topic in this lesson. Okay, can you move to next slide?
Okay, madam.
Okay. Lactic acid accumulation. We can see the lactic acid accumulation through the graph paper, ma. The graph paper seen in picture during the indicate two colors, ma. During the process of physical activities indicates blue color. Before physical activities during the indicates between the pink color. The dots, that means it put in the dots. Okay, pointed. Already the graph paper, it measures also already is there 1 to 12, 1 to 12. What is the graph paper but indicates between the lactic acid how to accumulate in your body before physical activities and during the physical activities. మనము ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చేయకముందు మన బాడీలో లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఎలా ఉంది, మనం ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ చేసేటప్పుడు మన బాడీలో లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఏమవుతూ ఉంది, వాట్ ఇస్ బేస్ ఆన్ అక్యుములేషన్ టు ఇన్ యువర్ బాడీ. ఈ లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఎలా నీకు అక్యుములేషన్ అవుతూ ఉంది, ఎలా నీకు అది కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఎలా అది కమ్యూనికేట్ అవుతూ ఉంది అని ఈ యొక్క స్లైడ్ నీకు చెప్తుంది. See the pink color indicates అక్కడ స్టోర్, that means pink color indicate lactic acid, one kind of energy molecule is stored in our body. ఈ శరీరంలో అక్కడ స్టోర్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది lactic acid. This is one kind of lactic acid. That it is start with 0 level and it can just like 10. That means indicate the numbering mark. That is indicate with the pink color. ఇక్కడ నీకు స్టోర్ ఉంది. Before physical activities, ఈ శరీరం ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చేయక ముందు lactic acid అలాగే ఉంది. Do not disturb in the lactic acid from your body. During the physical activities, ma'am. During the physical activities, that time, the lactic acid is accumulation. The lactic acid utilizing. That which time the physical activities that time already the ATP is lost. That time the lactic acid provide it produced energy. That you can indicate 2, it start with 10. That means indicate the numbering also. Blue color indicates energy levels it produced to the lactic acid. Ma. Pink color in energy also just like stay in our body, but is preserved in our body, lactic acid. Blue color indicates, but it is utilizing from in our body. అక్కడ నీకు శక్తి అయిపోయినప్పుడు ఈ లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ నీకు శక్తిని ఇస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నీకు ఏమవుతుంది, దాని లెవెల్స్ కూడా ఏమవుతుంది, నీకు లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫస్ట్ ఏమో దాని ఇంక్రీజ్ లెవెల్స్ చూపిస్తుంది. లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ యూటిలైజ్ అయినప్పుడు దానికి డిక్రీజ్ లెవెల్స్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఇంక్రీజ్ అండ్ డిక్రీజ్ లెవెల్స్ బోత్ ఇన్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీస్, బిఫోర్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీస్. ఓకే, when you exercise, your body uses oxygen to break down glucose for energy producing ATP required for muscle contraction. Nu exercise చేసేటప్పుడు it produces to ATP. That time the muscles are contraction. Muscles ఒక్కసారిగా ఏమవుతుందంటే మన దగ్గరకు చేరుకునేస్తుంది. Which time? When you exercise, that time your body uses oxygen to break down glucose. Exercise that time, you use oxygen and glucose for that time the energy is lost. That time the energy producing ATP required for muscle contraction. నువ్వు ఇంకా శక్తి కోల్పోతున్నప్పుడు నీ శరీరం ఏమైపోతుంది, కొంత అది శక్తి ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసేటప్పుడు నీ యొక్క మజిల్స్ అన్ని కూడా, మన యొక్క కండరాలు అన్ని కూడా కాన్స్ట్రాక్షన్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి చేరిపోతుంది. Intense exercise, there may not be enough oxygen available to complete the process, so the substance is called lactate is made. In this intense exercise ma, you exercise చేసేటప్పుడు may not be enough oxygen, ఇంకా ఆక్సిజన్ అంతా కూడా అయిపోయింది, గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్స్ అంతా అయిపోయింది. That time the lactic acid, it produce ATP. ఆ ATP ఏంగా అది ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంటే లాక్టిటేట్ గా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. The lactase is one kind of food mass, that means energy molecule. ATP is also energy molecule. అక్కడ ATP అయిపోయింది, ఆ ATP నే ఇది లాక్టిటేట్ గా మార్చి మనకు ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. This is also one type of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Which time? Exercise that time, there may not be enough the oxygen available to complete the process. After the substance called the lactate is made, lactate is made this kind of the energy level, energy molecule. Next, reduced circulation to muscle may result in the glucosen depletion. You know, in the physical activities at that time, the human beings also lost of ATP. That time the lactic acid is produced ATP requirement, and that time the physical activities, that time the glucosans also it lost. The glucosans it may depletion same like that lactate. ఇక్కడ గ్లూకోజన్ బదులు మనకు గ్లూకోజ్ బదులు లాక్టిటేట్ గా రూపొందుతుంది అంతే. గ్లూకోజ్ ఉన్నింది in our body level, the energy it produce glucose. The glucose also utilizing the during the so many process, so many activities doing to the human beings. That time the glucose levels also utilizing. ఇక్కడ గ్లూకోజ్ కి బదులుగా మనకు లాక్టిటేట్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. లాక్టిటేజ్ ఇస్ వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్ అంతే. ఇక్కడ డిప్లెషన్, గ్లూకోజ్ బదులు మనకు లాక్టిటేట్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది అంతే. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, కెన్ యూ మూవ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్ మా? కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Yes, madam. Okay.
Okay ma. Anaerobic respiration, that lactic acid fermentation ma. Fermentation means it preserved. Next upcoming classes also I give this explanation from the fermentation. Okay. The lactic acid happens in muscles during exercise when your body cannot get enough oxygen fast enough ma. And that means due to the hard physical activities, running, riding of bicycle, cycling, playing games, that time the muscles also the exercise, that time the body levels, the respiration process, heartbeat process, the energy levels also increase levels of utilizing. That time only the lactic acid builds up in the muscles causing soreness. Appudemotundi the lactic acid also it produce energy level and utilizing to the human body, but it helps to like that. It helps to lactic acid requirement of the energy levels. Which time? During the physical activities, that time only. Normal time, same like that. Normal process, respiration process is doing. That is normal way. Only physical activity that time, the human body is totally changed. Okay, ma'am? Can you able to understand? Already we know anaerobic respiration is there. Anaerobic respiration is without presence of oxygen. This only less amount of the produced energy, carbon dioxide, glucose. These are also some less energy levels it produced to the process of the anaerobic respiration. The humans primarily respire aerobically. మామూలుగా హ్యూమన్స్ లో ఏరోబిక్ రెస్పిరేషన్ ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ లో జరిగినప్పుడు బట్ విల్ రివర్ట్ ఇన్ ఎనరోబిక్ వెన్ రిక్వైర్డ్. దానికి రివర్స్ గా జరుగుతుంది. ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ లో ఏరోబిక్ లో జరిగితే అనరోబిక్ లో ఆబ్సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ లో ఈ ప్రాసెస్ జరుగుతుంది. Organisms that primarily respire aerobically are referred to as anaerobes, and this process is also known as fermentation. మనకు anaerobic లో ఇక్కడ ఫర్మెంటేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఒకటి జరుగుతుంది. అప్కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ లో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మీకు చెప్తాను. What is the fermentation? What is the microorganisms during the process of the anaerobic, the time, the respiration? How to take the anaerobic respiration? ఈ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ లో ఇది anaerobic respiration ఎలా జరుగుతుంది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసెస్ లో నేను చెప్తాను. The process are different in human and yeast. Although both began with a glucose molecule, the products are different. Glucose molecules it produced to humans and yeast different గా అక్కడ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. Yeast also one type of microorganisms. Human, Also the products from both pathway are toxic. Toxic means harmful substances. A large amount, so they must be removed from the cell. ఈ anaerobic respiration లో టాక్సిక్ సబ్స్టెన్సెస్ అన్ని కూడా ఏమవుతుంది, రిమూవ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది సెల్, సెల్ నుంచి బయటకు రిమూవ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ anaerobic respiration also discussed in the previous classes also, ma. Once again I recall. Why? Because next one experiment is there that I will recall this anaerobic respiration. Okay, can you move to next slide?
Okay, madam.
Very, very important in this experiment, ma. In this experiment, it produces carbon dioxide, ma. Carbon dioxide is a product of respiration. How it produced to like that? In this experiment, it proved to how the carbon dioxide released in the microorganisms also. Okay. Next, once I give the explanation, I share with one video also. I trust you very clearly understand in the video, ma. The glucose solution that is used was the first boiled and cooled prior addition to the yeast cells, ma. Yeast cells లో నుంచి మనకు బాయిల్డ్ అండ్ కూల్డ్ అంటే వేడిగా వేడి నీటిలో ఉన్న బాయిల్ చేసినవి తర్వాత కూల్ రెండింటిని మనము ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాలి. బాయిలింగ్ రిమూవ్ ద డిజాల్వ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సొల్యూషన్. ఇక్కడ ఆక్సిజన్ లో కూడా డిజాల్వ్ అయినటువంటి బాయిల్డ్ అండ్ కూల్డ్ రెండు కూడా మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, డ్యూ టు ద లిమిటెడ్ ఆక్సిజన్ అవైలబుల్ టు ద ఈస్ట్. మనకు ఈస్ట్ లో సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. సార్ ఎంత ఉంది సార్ ఇంకా?
1 minute మేడం, అయిపోయింది, క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది ఇప్పుడు.
అయ్యో ఒక షేర్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుందా సార్? షేర్ చేయలేము. Due to the limited oxygen available to the yeast undergoes the anaerobic respiration. If carbon dioxide is released during the anaerobic respiration of yeast, the lime water